So students, so in previous class we have completed up to, this is your large numbers chapter. In large numbers chapter, this is third standard, no? Yes, in large numbers chapter we have completed up to 6th bit. What is that? Draw the beads for the given numbers. Draw the beads for the given numbers. In this we have completed up to E. Up to E we have completed. So this is in your page number 72. So we can start from F. How many rods are there? 5 rods are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 rods are there. This is 1's rod, 10's rod. This is 100's rod. This is 1000's rod. This is 10,000's rod. Okay. So under 1's rod, which number is there? 9. Here under 10's rod, which number is there? This is 9, no? Under 10's rod we are having 0. Under 100's rod we are having 8. Okay. Under 1000's rod we are having 2. Under 10,000's rod we are having 3. Okay. So in 1's rod, under how much number is there? 9, no? Under 1's rod we are having 9. So you have to draw 9 beads in 1's rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Completed, no? Under 1's rod we are having 9. So we have drawn 9 beads in 1's rod. Next one. Under 10's rod, which number is there? 0. So if 0 is there, we have to draw nothing. We should not draw anything, okay? So under 10's rod, 0 is there. Don't draw anything. Under 100's rod, which number is there? 8. So you have to draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Under 100's rod, 8 is there, no? 8 beads you have to draw. Under 1000's rod, which number is there? 2. So 1, 2. Completed. Under 10,000's rod, which number is there? 3. So in 10,000's rod we have to draw 3 beads. So completed, no? Here 9 beads. Here 0 means we have to draw, we should not draw anything. Here in 100's place we are having 8, no? So you have to draw 8 beads. So in 1000's rod we have, it is there 2, no? You have to draw 2 beads. Under 10,000's rod we are having 3, no? So you have to draw 3 beads. Like that you have to draw. So F is completed. So next one is what? G. For this also we are having how many rods? 5 rods are there totally. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. So 2, 0, 0, 6, 1. So in one, under 1's rod 2 is there, no? So you have to draw 2 beads. And under 10's rod 0 is there, so you should leave it. Under 100's rod 0 is there, so you should not draw anything. Under 1000's rod, which number is there? 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Completed. So under 10,000's rod, which number is there? 1. So you have to draw 1 bead. So under 1's rod we are having 2. We have drawn 2 beads in 1's rod. Okay. In 10's rod 0. You should not draw anything. 100's rod 0. You should not draw anything. Under 1000's rod, which number is there? 6. So you have to draw 6 beads. Under 10,000 rod you are having one now, so you have to draw only one bead. Okay, clear? So this one we have completed. G is also completed. Okay. Up to, so F now, we have completed F. Now we shall see about G. So G also completed, I think. Just now we have completed G, F and G. Sorry, next one is H. H is what? Here how many rods are there? Up to 10,000 means 5 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rods. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. 0, 0, 7, 9, 9. Clear? So under ones rod, which number is there? 0. So you should not keep anything. Any bead you should not keep any bead in this ones place. So under tens place 0 is there. You should not keep anything in tens rod. Okay. Under hundreds rod you are having 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Completed. Under thousands rod you are having what? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to draw 9 beads. Under 10,000 rod you are having which number? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to see the below number. Under which rod which number is there, that many beads you have to write. Draw in that rod only, not in others rod. Okay. So this one we have completed. Representation 0, 0. So you should not draw anything. This is 100. You are having 7, no? 7 you should draw. Under thousands you are having 9. You should draw 9. Under 10,000s you are having 9. You should draw 9 beads. Like that you have to draw. Okay. So last one for this bit. Last one is I. Okay. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. So rods we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rods. Clear? Under ones rod you are having 7. 0, 0. Again 5. Okay. Under ones rod you are having 7. No, you should draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under tens rod you are having 0. Under hundreds rod you are having 0. Under thousands rod you are having 5. 5. Clear? So like that you have to draw. Because you are having zeros for hundreds and tens, I am not drawing anything. You should remember that. Under which number is there, that many beads you have to draw in that rod. Okay. Should remember that one. This is very easy process, very easy bit for you. Just seeing and drawing the number of beads. That's all. Okay. So next one is place value and face value. You have to, if any number is given and in that you have to know the face value and place value for a given digit. He will give to find out some digits, place value and face value. You have to find out that one. Okay. So here he has given one number 730 and 270. Okay. 347. He has given 3 numbers here. Okay. So what he is saying, he is asking to find out the place values of 7 and face values of 7. Okay. So let us see first of all place value and face value. Okay. So before knowing that, before knowing the place value and face value, so we have to find for these. Okay, clear? But before this, there is a point to remember. If you study that and if you go to the topic, it will be very understanding. Okay, so remember, in that place value of a digit, place value of a digit in a given number, is the value of the digit because of its place in the number. Okay, so place value of a digit, if suppose any number is there 730, okay, if anyone is asking the place value of a given digit, place value, so in the 730 I want the place value of 3, suppose place value of a digit means place value of 3 in a given number. What is the given number? In 730 I am taking the example, place value of a digit, which number, which digit I am talking about? This 3. For example, I have written this, but you have to ultimately understand the statement. Place value of a digit in a given number, the given number is 730. In that I want the place value of 3. So digit is 3 only, no? Is the value of the digit because of its place in the number. So place value means according to the place, the value will change. So if see here, this is a 3. 3 is in ones place, no? So what is the place value? This is in ones place. This 3 is in ones place. This is a single digit number. Next, 340. Here 3 is in hundreds place. Okay. So 3470. Here 3 is in thousands place. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So 3, the same number 3 is having different place values because of its different places. Here 3 is in ones place, so place value will be different. 3 is in hundreds place, the place value will be different. Here 3 is in thousands place, so place value will be different. What are these values? We will talk about it in the next subsequent discussion. But here according to the place, this is ones place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. No, according to the place value will be changing. How it will be changing, we will be discussing. Okay, you have to only remember that according to the place, the place value of a given digit will be changing. That's what he is saying. Okay, place value of a digit in a given number is the value of the digit because of its place in the number. Because of the place, according to the place, if the place is changing, place value will be changing. That's what you have to remember. Okay, so next one is that name place value means according to the place, the value of the digit will be changing. That's what you have to remember. So next one is face value of a given number. Face value of a given number. Face value of a given number of a given digit or any digit. Place value of a given digit is the value of that digit itself. Clear? Face value of a given digit is the value of that digit. So just now I said place value will be changing according to the place of the digit. Here 3 is in ones place, here hundreds place, here thousands place. So place is changing now, so the value, place value will be also changing, but face value will remain same. 3 is in ones place. If I want the face value for this, it will be 3 only. Face value of a given digit is the value of that digit itself. Face value of a given digit is the value of that digit itself. So here 3 is in ones place. The face value of 3 is how much? 3 only. Here 3 is in hundreds place. What is the face value? 3 only. Here 3 is in thousands place. Face value will be 3 only. It is not depending upon the place. By seeing this number, what we can understand, this number is 3. So the face value is 3 itself. Face value will be the same as the digit only. 3 for 4, what is the face value? 4 itself. Face value, I am talking about face value. For 7, what is the face value? 7 itself. Face value of a given digit is the value of that digit itself. Okay? Face value will be the given digit only. That one you have to remember. Okay? So let us go into the concept. So if we move into the concept, he has given 3 numbers, 734, okay, 270, okay, and next one is, so just now we have discussed about the definition, what is saying place value and face value, given in your 72, page number 72, in the green color box. We have discussed that one. Now let us see the concept. Okay, 734, 270 and 347, 3 numbers are there. So let us see the face value and place value. So in this he is asking about the place values of 7 in this number and this number. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so we are talking about only 7, no? He is asking about 7, no? So let us see. Here 7 is in ones place, here 7 is in tens place, here 7 is in hundreds place. How the place value will be changing, let us discuss. Okay, so this is first, second, third. Let us see like this. Okay, or 1, 2, 3. So for first one, I am denoting this number with first. For first one, 7 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value? Place value equal to 7. Which digit he is asking about? 7 only, no? So I wrote 7. In which place it is there? 100 into 100 equal to 700. Okay. Second. Next, place value. So let us see the face value for first one. Face value. So what is the face value of 7? 7 only. Clear? Next, let us check for the second number. So this here 7 is in which place? Tens place, no? Let us see the place value. 7 is in which place? Tens place, no? 7 in which place? Tens place into 10 equal to 70. Face value is what? Equal to 7. Third number. For third, 347, here 7 is in which place? Ones place. What is the place value? 7 in ones place. 7 into 1 equal to 7. Okay. What is the face value? Face value is 7 only. Because face value will be the number itself. Okay. But place value will be changing according to the place. So here 7 is in hundreds place, no? Place value will be 700. 7 into 100, 700. Here place value is of this 7. It is in tens place, no? 7 into 10, 70. Place value of 7. This is in ones place, no? 7 into 1, 7. So for the same digit, the place values is changing because of the place. This all depends on place only. If the place is changing, place value will be changing. Here place is changing, no? from hundreds it went to tens, and here ones. So that's why place values are also changing. This is 700, this is 70, this is 7. Okay, like that place values will be depending upon the place of that digit, but face value will be same. Okay, for this 7 is in hundreds place, but face value is 7 only. Face value is 7 only. This is in tens place, face value will be 7 only. This is in ones place, face value is 7 only. Okay, so place value will be depending upon the place of the digit, but face value will be the digit itself. Okay, you have to understand that one very clearly. So this is the perfect example for discussing about the place value and face value. By this time you have understood, I think. Okay, so there is an example problem. Example, write the face value face value and place value of all the digits in the number five, 6, 7, 9. The digits are 5, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, so write the face value and place value of all the digits in the number. So for all these digits we have to write the place value and face value. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. So what are there? 5, 6, 7, 9. For these 4 digits we have to write the place value and face value. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 9, no? So let us start from 5. Place value, face value. Okay, for 5, place value and face value. Place value is how much? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, no? 5 is in which place? Thousands. So 5 in which place? Thousands place. 1000, 5000. Okay, next face value of 5 is what? 5 only. Next, coming to 6. So 6 is in which place? Hundreds place, no? Place value equal to 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. It is equal to 600. Okay, what is the face value? 6 only. Face value of 6 is 6 itself. So what is the place value of 7? So he is asking about place value and face value of 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so we are writing the place value and face value for every digit in this number. So what is the place value? 7 is in which place? Tens place, no? 7 in which place? Tens place. Into 10, 70. 9 is in ones. Oh sorry, this face value is what? Face value equal to 7 only. For 7 face value is 7 only. For 6 face value is 6. For 5 face value is 5. For 9 is in which place? Ones place, no? Place value equal to 9 into 1 equal to 9. What is the face value? Face value of 9 is 9 only. Okay, for 9 face value is 9. For 6 face value is 6. For 5 face value is 5. For 7 face value is 7. But the place values are changing. 5 is in thousands place now, so 5 into 1000, 5000. This is the place value of 5. And place value of 6. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. 6 into 100, 600. Okay, the face value is 6 only. The place value of 7. 7 is in which place? Tens place, no? 7 into 10, 70. What is the face value? 7. 9 is in which place? Ones place. Place value is 9 into 1, 9, and face value is 9 only. Okay, like that we have to understand, we have to divide ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, like that we have to divide which digit is in which place, and that digit into that place we will get the place value, and face value is that digit itself. Okay, so like that we have to write the place values and face values for each number. Okay, clear? So next example is write the place and face values for place value and face value of all the digits in the number 8970, I think 89760. Yes, the digits are 8, 9, 7, 6, and 0. So how many digits are there? For all digits he is asking place value and face value. Previous example, same like previous example, but the number is different. Okay, so for 89760 you have to find the place value and face value. So let us write this number. Solution 89760, no? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, this is in 10,000s. So starting from 8, for 8 place value is what? 8 is in which place? 10,000s place, no? 8 in which place? 10,000. 80,000. Okay, face value is 8 only. Okay, next for 9 place value equal to 9 is in which place? Thousands place, is equal to 9,000. Okay, what is the face value? 9 only. Okay, and 7 is in which place? Place value 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 7 into 100, 700 is the face value, place value, sorry, and face value is what? 7 only. 7 only, no? So let me write for next digits. So 8 we have completed, 9 we have completed, and 7 also we have completed. Up to hundreds place we have completed. So for 6 place value is what? 6 in tens place, no? 60. Face value is what? 6 only. 0 place value is 0 into 1, 0. Okay, face value is also 0. 0 in ones place, no? 0 into 1, 0. Face value is also 0. So like that for every digit we have found out what? Place value and face value. Place value for 8 is what? 8 into 10,000s place, no? 80,000. Face value is 8. 9, for 9 place value is what? 9 is in thousands place. 9 into 1000, 9,000. Face value is 9. For 7 place value is 7 in hundreds place, no? 7 into 100, 700. Face value is 7 only. For 6 place is in 10. So place value is 6 into 10, 60. 6 is in tens place, no? So face value is what? 6 only. 0, 0 is in ones place. Place value is 0 into 1, 0. Face value is 0. Okay, like that you have to solve, you have to find out the place value and face value for the given number. So with this, place value and face value is clear, I think. Okay, so let us so here let us discuss about this. There is a fill in the blank below in pink color box, the face value of 6 in the number 6112 is 6112 is what? First one is 6000s, B 6. What is asking? Face value of 6 in the number 6112 is what? Face value of 6 in the number 6112 is what? Whether it is 6000s or 6. Face value, not place value. Okay, he is asking about face value. The answer is 6 only. Face value of what he is asking, face value of 6 in the number is 6 itself. Face value of 6 is 6 only. Okay. Previously we have discussed now, the face value of any number is that number itself. So with this we have completed all the topics. From next class we will discuss about exercises. Okay, thank you.